You have to excuse my basement remodeling right now, but once we got the TV up here, as you can see, it moves around. It's pretty sturdy. This is like a 48 or 50 inch. As you can see, you can move it. You gotta nail it on the, or screw it in a stud to make sure you get it, hold it in there, and that it doesn't fall. So we screwed it. When I say a stud, I mean one of these beams. You don't one of these, a beam in the back of your wall. So you gotta screw it on one of those to make sure your TV don't fall. You just can't screw it in drywall. The only problem I had was putting these on. I didn't know if they meant this screw, or this screw went to the bottom or at the top. Luckily, my boyfriend had hung a TV before, so he let me know. These screws go on the bottom, and then it just hooks to the back of this, and it holds the TV up somehow. I don't know. And then you can unscrew this and screw it to tighten and loosen it to link it front to back like that. Besides that, pretty good mount.
Well, this is the wall mount. But it just makes it so easy just to kind of move the TV back and forth wherever you want it to go.
Lo puedes poner de frente, lo puedes girar de este lado también y se pega a la pared y él sigue girando. Mira, es súper, 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 a mí me encantó.
It is not as thick as I thought it would be, but it'll do. Not much more to say. You put it up in about an hour. Just need the right screws to put in the wall. And that's about it.
No golpear a mi mujer, pero sí reaccioné mal unas cuantas veces. Hay decisiones que uno toma en la vida en momentos de coraje y cuando está toda la emoción a flor de piel que nunca se borran.